The Fiat F140 is on the website and is ready to go straight to work, built to last, and is trusted by all us certified farmers.
Certified what?
What? Just hold the camera and shut up. She's got the 540/1000 RPM PTO. Brand new tyres. They're 520/85 R38s on the back and 420/85 R38s on the front. She's got a 6-litre turbocharged engine and front weights on the front.
Not the only thing heavy, mate.
What?
You've got a body built like an iPhone.
You know I've a disorder. This machine has been well maintained. Interior and the exterior are in serious condition. A bit like myself.
Well, that's just a lie.
What? I'm telling you, you've a problem with me, boy. For £5.97, that tractor could be all yours with us. LuckyDayCompetitions.com. Get your tickets bought. Zoom in on the guns. Zoom in right away.